I will show you in this video how to upload a photo on Zedge app. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Zedge like this. And right now, when you open Zedge, you should go right now. Sorry, we skip this. Go click here. And right now, you should go and click on upload. And come click on upload here. It's going to open on your browser. So after that, you will see this profile. Here is your profile. Click on upload. More. Click drag and drop up or browse. Choose how you want. Click, for example, we want to upload photo. Click like this. And it's open on your camera. Take a picture, for example. And click OK. And click next. Right now choose a title, make a tags, categories, description, and click this content is mature audience and click upload. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.